We are here at Kathy's workstation. This is where she does her stained glass mosaics and all the other cool projects that she does. We have two test blocks here. So we're going to give this a try and see how well this technique works for us klutzes who aren't professionals like Brad is. So I have my clear coat here. I've been shaking it for the requisite 2 minutes. You can see the little glitter things there. Over here we have 4 different colors. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this block first, and we're going to put a layer down, and we're going to just put some of all the colors into it. The other block we're going to do slightly different. I'll explain that when we get to it. Right now, let's get to spraying. If the cap will come off. The cap is broken. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye. I have been shaking this for the requisite 2 minutes, so here we go. All right, do your thing.
That was purple, although it looks blue. Whoops. Got a little breeze here.
Yep.
That's teal. Okay, this is midnight blue. Okay.
And some white, because every galaxy needs stars. So.
Okay.
And there we go.
We let that dry and then coat it again, correct?
We can coat it right now.
Okay.
So we will put another coat on to lock that stuff in. And we'll let that dry, and we'll come back and do another layer. While that's drying, we'll do the other one. The way we're going to do this one, we're going to put down a layer of acrylic, and then we're going to put one color on it. Then we'll do another layer and put another color and try to make like a 4-layer type of galaxy and see if we can get a sort of a 3D effect. We're going to do the same thing with the other one, but with that one we're mixing all the colors together. With this one we're doing one color at a time. So here goes nothing. Hold your breath. Really, this stuff stinks. Okay, which color are you going to do first?
Gonna do the dark to the light.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. When we do the actual guitar, we'll probably get a lot more creative with swirls and things like that. But for now, we're just
playing.
We're just testing the technique. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're testing the technique.
Oh, and your phone.
Yeah, that was my phone. I'm a professional, you can tell. So, let that dry for a bit. Did we put the other coat over it?
No.
Okay, so go ahead. So we'll put the other coat over it to seal it in.
No, and then my phone rings.
Yeah. And we'll let that dry. All right, on to the next layer of our single color experiment.
We'll do the teal color.
Try some swirls and stuff and things like that too.
I don't know how to do swirls.
I think you do it with your fingers.
No. Okay.
All right.
That's not gonna look good.
No,
Never mind. We're just gonna.
not like that. Yeah. Hey, you know what? It's yours. You can do whatever you want. So,
Now I got glitter finger.
uh-huh. Glitterfinger. That sounds like a James Bond villain. So,
Okay.
okay, want to put another layer on the other one?
Yes.
Okay. There we are. All right.
And this is the all color one.
Yeah,
Right?
second layer for the all color one.
Okay. Start with the teal. Purple.
Mm-hmm. Missed a little bit there on the side. But we won't talk about that
Where?
over here on the paper.
Oh, well, that's what the paper's for.
Yep.
To miss it.
Yeah. We're using freezer paper, by the way.
Just because that's what we had.
Yeah. It seems to be doing very well. It's good and strong. It catches everything. And it's pretty easy to dispose of. So, there you go. Making a few clusters.
I was trying to get into some of the groove, man.
Oh. Get in the groove.
Okay.
All right.
And then top it off.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Uh-huh. We have a rooster wandering around our yard. He got out of his coop and we're waiting for him to go back to join his girlfriend. And he is one stubborn little booger. So.
That is pretty cool.
That is coming out so neat.
Let's see what the other one looks like.
Okay.
The other one, how many? We've just got 2 layers on it, right?
Yes. It's time for the third one.
I don't think he likes the smell of the...
Well, I'm with him there. I don't either. That stuff smells awful. But it's doing the job. So. Yeah, you may pass.
Last but not least, the white one.
Yep. You can go ahead and do it now.
If I can get it open.
So. Yeah. And that's it.
I don't know, I have to say,
We will set that aside to dry.
I don't know, I kind of like this one, the first one better. It's
Me
got a little
too.
more galaxy to it than...
Yeah, that's true. Some of that may be the way you sprinkled it,
Yeah.
but yeah, that needs what? 2 more layers or 1 more?
I think just one more.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and do that. He's slowly making his way to the back, but he has to inform us. He's crazy. Thanks to babysitting him, we've decided if we ever do get chickens, we're not getting a rooster. They are a headache.
Top it off with the white.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I think that makes this one adds the most depth to it.
Yeah, that's true. I think you're right. So let's let them both dry overnight. and we'll check them in the morning.
Yeah.
All right, but that is the technique that I learned from Brad Angrove, is using the acrylics and sprinkling the galaxy patterns in there. The key, as he says, is the extra fine glitter, because if you get anything bigger, it's going to make it hard to put a finishing buff on it. So, we'll let those dry overnight, and we'll see which one we like better in the morning.
So this is the results. Let's see. This one here with the hole was when we did it
That was single
color
colors.
by colors.
Yeah,
And this was spreading them all out.
yeah.
They're cool, but I don't like either one of them because there's too much glitter. It totally obliterates the pretty background, and I think is way too much. So I'm really glad we did this before as a test, so we didn't mess up the guitar.
That's the idea.
Since we have backs of these, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to test it, only I'm going to sprinkle it by hand on it. And I'm thinking about just forgetting the one by one like we did here and just sprinkling them
Going with all the colors?
all the colors.
Yeah.
But I think I might take out the dark blue. But then again, it's kind of pretty in there. Well, we'll just try it with all the colors
Okay.
and see how it goes and sprinkle a little bit and see if we can get a little cover, not just quite that much.
Yes. Can you say too much of a good thing?
But it's pretty.
It is. Okay. We will see about that next time.